Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to view your archived posts, stories, and lives on Instagram. Let's get started. Firstly, open up your Instagram app and go to your profile by clicking at your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then at the top right corner of your screen, click the three horizontal lines and then go to your activity. Then just scroll down until you find archived and then click that. Here you'll see all your archived media in Instagram. So at the moment, I have posts archive. Then if I click that, I can navigate to stories archive. And then if I click that again, I can go to live archive. So I don't have any live video archives. So let me go back to posts archive. If you want to unarchive this post, just long press it and then select show on profile. It will disappear from this page, and if you go back to your profile, you'll see that the post is now viewable in your profile. And if you want to archive it again, just long press the post again and click archive. And that's how you can easily view your archived media on Instagram. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!